So hello guys, today we're going to see how to install. Let me check if the recording is running. It is already running. Okay, so we'll see how to install Jupyter Notebook. Let me pull up the command line. I don't know why I call it command line. So I have already installed it. I have to remove it first, so you can learn how to install it before installing. That happens in this tutorial. Okay, let's install this auto remove package first. It'll take some time. Successfully installed. Let's try whatever the command is doing, and it is not recognizable. In that case, what you can do is python m no module name python auto remove. Okay. I want to remove Jupyter. Why it's not working? Okay, just in case, I will also note down this command. Whatever it does, let's run it. Okay, somehow it is working. That's nice. Note that down. You can just come to this link. If you come to my profile at Medium, you will get all this link. I guess I'll also link it down in the description. So in case above comments do not work, above commands do not work, try this, and it is successfully uninstalled. If I run python -m notebook, it should not do anything. No module name notebook, right? Okay, to show you how to install it again, run these commands, and please do not use the without watching the video. Something might get messed up. It is not copying. So let's type it the old-fashioned way. Notebook. Let's try Python 3 since sorry, it's not Python, it's pip install notebook. Okay, it's doing whatever it's supposed to do. Should be the same for most of you. Okay, seems to be installed now. For most of you, it should directly run using this command, notebook, Jupyter Notebook. But in my case, it doesn't run, and some of you might face the similar issue. In that case, what you do is python -m notebook, and it should run for most cases. I mean, there might be a few small % of exceptions. You just have to Google how to do it or fix whatever is wrong with your Python installation, but other than that it should work for everybody. It is taking time, and I think yeah it opens. And of course, if you use the second command, if the second command doesn't run, you use the third command, what will happen is it will not open the correct page right from the beginning. I mean, from the auto open, because it is trying to open this. I don't know why. Okay, instead what you have to do is manually copy and paste this. They seem to be the exact same link. Yeah, just the difference between is the same thing. So just copy and paste it in one of your browsers, and you should have access to this. What I'm going to do is open document, create a new file, your folder, and how does it happen? Where is it happening? Okay, sorry, it's happening here. So this is the folder, rename it Python programs, rename, go into it, create a new Python 3 notebook. Don't create a file, text file, create a Python 3 notebook. You can change this name either from here or directly from here. I guess this way. Yeah, new notebook, rename. Will it update here? Yeah, right. So it is working on a socket connection. It updates everywhere. Now I don't know much Python, but hope this works. And this is not the command. I don't know how to print hello world in Python. Either you can press this, or I guess it was shift enter. Yeah, shift enter also runs the cell, or you can also run this way. So that way you can just line by line you can just write your programs and run them. That's all for the video. Hope it was recording. See you in the next one. Goodbye.